everybody. Today we are starting our new playlist which is API and web services. In this playlist we will talk about very basic terms. What is an app? What is an interface? What is basically different types of apps and everything about some basic things which you think that you know but you don't. Okay. Yeah, let me talk about it. So what is an API first of all? Let me elaborate the terms. API. A means application. Application, now you will say that app, which is on your mobile phone, that is an application, right? So, application is basically a software in which program runs, in which a program runs, or more than one program runs, you can say. Yeah. So, P means programming, right? Programming means a program which runs inside the application, which runs inside application. Okay. And what is an interface? Interface is that point at which the application knows that it needs to run the program now. It's the place where we tell the application the program to run in the application, to run in the application. Okay. So now let me take the example. Otherwise, you will not understand it. That's really the terms and how you will understand it. Okay. Let me take the example of WhatsApp. I think you all know about WhatsApp. That's a messaging app, right? Okay. Let me imagine one mobile phone there, and there is an icon of WhatsApp on that mobile. Okay. So what is an interface and what is application and what is a program right here? What is program? What is interface? What is application in WhatsApp? Okay. If I want to message someone on WhatsApp, if I want to message someone on WhatsApp, then tell me what is an interface. From where I'm going to tell WhatsApp that please send my message. I'm gonna tell WhatsApp, right? Otherwise, how can I send the message? It needs to my request should be go there to the WhatsApp. Otherwise, it will not happen. It will not give me response in return. My request should go there, right? So how will it go there? By using interface. So what is the interface here? You can say that icon, that app icon, which is on your mobile phone. That is the interface. So let me just write that icon of app. Okay. That is the interface right here. Okay. Now, what is the application? Application is nothing but WhatsApp. What else? That's the application, right? WhatsApp is the application. What is program? Program is to message. So that's the program. Message someone, right? That's the program. Now let's take one another example. If I want, okay, let me tell you, that's a simple API. If I'm talking about API or someone which is in the development field or in the industry of IT, if he or she is talking about APIs, they're not going to talk about simple APIs. They'll talk about the complex APIs. Okay, they'll talk about complex, and that's the simplest one. The WhatsApp one is the simplest. So, how we are gonna uh, look at the complex APIs. What is the example of that? Let me take the example of Amazon. Okay, Amazon, right? So what is an Amazon? Basically, that's a shopping app, right? That's a shopping app, or you can say a web application is also there in that, right? Okay, so what is an interface? What is a program? And what is an application in there? Now, there is a catch. I want to create an order on Amazon without opening my browser or without opening my Amazon app on my mobile phone. I don't want to open it. Now create an order. How will you create it? Okay, if you think about it, that's so easy. If you click on icon on the WhatsApp, basically there is an icon, sorry, not WhatsApp. If you click on Amazon icon on your mobile phone, so that is basically hitting some create order program, isn't it? That icon is an interface to run that program, which is creating the order, right? That interface is hitting the program to create the order. So why not we hit it directly, not coming in the uh, not coming in the connection of the interface. Without coming in the connection of the interface, I want to create the order. So how will I create it? I can write a program, right? I can make a query by using a program, right? So what is interface in this? Interface is itself Amazon, because it's Amazon's API, which I'm hitting to run the program. That Amazon API. So Amazon is the interface right here. Okay, Amazon is itself the interface because I'm hitting Amazon by using my program. What is the program here? What do I want to do on Amazon? I want to create orders. So that's the program. Create order is a program. And what is an application here? Application is also Amazon because I'm going there. I want to create order on Amazon. So that's the application. Wherever, whichever company, on whichever application I want to create order or something, I want to delete some request or something. So that's the application here. That's the application. That will always be the application. If I want to create an order on eBay or Ola or Uber, anything, so that's the application in that case. Uber will be the application. What I want to do, I want to book a cab. So booking is a program right here. If I'm using the application, the icon on my mobile, so that will be the interface. That icon will be the interface. If I'm using Uber web application, so that browser will be my interface. If I'm not using anything, I'm not using any graphical user interface, then what will be the interface then? Then I'm just hitting directly on the Uber. So Uber will be the interface itself because I'm not using any interface in between, right? So those APIs in which I don't use any interface, like any particular interface like icon or something like a browser or a web application, something, those APIs are called complex APIs because we are using a program to hit, we are using a query to hit on their program, to run their program. So that's the complex API. And in the whole playlist, we are going to talk about the complex APIs only, not going to talk about the simple one. Okay. Okay. Let's meet in the next video then.